Hello students, today we are going to study English Skills Class 6, Rescue. So, let's get started. But before starting the lecture, share this channel with your classmates and subscribe to this channel, and if you have done it already, thanks a lot. Rescue. The dog at once jumped off the bank, and in a few seconds reached the child and caught it firmly. Then he turned to swim back, but the swift flowing water had got hold of him. Bravely he struggled and lifted the child out of the water, but his powerful efforts to stem the current were in vain. Each moment he was carried still further down until he was on the brink of the fall, which, though not high, was the most dangerous on the river. He raised himself high out of the stream with the vigor of his last struggle and then fell over into the abyss. By this time the poor mother, as if she had anticipated the result, was already in a canoe, as close to the fall as it was possible for her to go with safety. The canoe danced like a cockleshell on the turmoil of waters as the mother stood with uplifted paddle and staring eyeballs awaiting the reappearance of the child. The dog came up instantly but alone, for the dash over the fall had wrenched the child from his grasp. He looked around eagerly for a moment and then caught sight of a little hand raised above the boiling flood. In one moment he had hold of the child again, and just as the prow of the mother's canoe touched the shore, he brought the child to land. The mother sprang to the spot, snatched the child from him and gazed in anguish on its death-like face. Then she laid her cheek on its scald breast and stood motionless. After a few moments she was conscious of some slight movement in the little body and a gentle motion of the hand. The child still lived. Opening up her blanket, she drew the covering close around the child, and sitting down on the bank, wept aloud for joy. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.